$2,000 in danger, folks. Until next time.
Let's go out and feel everything. If you hold me, I will let you into my dreams. For time is a river rolling into nowhere. We must live while we can, and we drink our cup of laughter.
So guys, I know that first video is what brought you to this video. Thank you so much. Again, we're at episode 9. Can you believe that? Episode 9. Woo! Here is the continuation of the episode. You're really gonna see what we were dealing with that night as far as the smoke coming in. We've been planning this trip for months. Here we are dealing with an insane forest fire. Smoke. Following 2 fire trucks right now back to the campsite. We almost had to evacuate the very first night. I'm not gonna hold you in suspense anymore. Here is
Camping in a Forest Fire Part 2.
Okay. A little bit of a buzz. We're getting ready to go down the dry bed river. There's gonna be a lot of rocks. There's gonna be a lot of walking. There's gonna be a lot of chaos. Got the group slowly trickling in. Oh, getting ready for a 3-hour trek down the river. I am going to be bringing the $1,200 GH4 and the $800 Panasonic lens. Let's hope this isn't the last video that we are going to shoot on this trip.
You're bringing the GH4?
Let's...
Can you hear what I've been thinking? Do you hear my words out loud? There's an echo that's insisting that this phone ring out now. But when it does, there ain't no question. But when it don't, maybe I'm somewhere you can reach me on this dark and lonely night. Yeah, ooh, what a fate to arrive. place in your mind. You needed the laughter to hang on. Feel what it is that's alive. But you know that it's only one more day that I'm gonna be this far away. Now I'm sitting there on this phone. I run out of things to say. Listen, it's gonna feel good just to get back home. Now it's gonna feel good just to get back home. I've been out here stretching on my own. Oh, it's gonna feel good just to get back home. I take a plane out in the morning, puts me in tomorrow night. I got something I've been saving for the hours that I lose in this flight. There's beauty about London, the rain still pouring down. It only makes me think of waking to the night wave that breaks the shake of ground. Then, ooh, what a day to arrive. See that look in your eyes. You know what you're thinking if you're singing by time and place in your mind. The sun and your laughter growing on. Feel what it is that's alive. You know that time is a legend of every day. Know what it is, no one here can say. Just hanging here in the sky, with the curve of the earth and the night. Fading and seeing the returning, seeing a reflection in your eyes. So it's gonna feel good just to get back home. Ooh, it's gonna feel good just to get back home. I've been out here stretching on my own. And now it's gonna feel good just to get back home.
I'm gonna officially try to record this tonight at the campground. If it doesn't go down, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to my boy Dean Para and the Para 6, generally just being an all-around great guy. We're gonna do a little Mike Posner, took a pill in Ibiza. So my boy Dean and I, we just practiced this for the first time 3 hours ago. And we're gonna see what we can do with it. Thank you guys. Yes. Still got some lungs in me. Thank all of you guys for coming.
Thanks for having us.
You guys are really amazing. So please don't judge. I'm not really a performer at all.
Got some
So.
French here. We obligated to judge.
Stuck up on that stage singing. Stuck up on that stage singing. Oh, I know a sad song, darling. Oh, I know a sad song.
Okay, 7 a.m. August 21st. I am officially an old man.
Wait, is it really your birthday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Today?
Yesterday.
What's yesterday? But why everyone just told us in the end of the day?
Because I don't really...
Let me give you a heart song.
Oh.
I didn't. Really?
I
I
get it.
need.
Of course. Everyone else had a good time. So that's...
Everyone is having a good time.
That's what was the best.
No, it's really good. It's really special. That's good, Chad. So you're getting even more special this week.
I just have to give a shout out to our awesome neighbors who are torturing us with these amazing things they were cooking. Awesome being neighbors with you guys.
What up, what up, what up?
And look at the setup these guys have, man. Cookers, bacon, just living the dream.
Excuse me? Hi. How are you?
The one white guy within the group.
The token.
Yes, man. How's it feel like being the minority?
You guys want to go back to LA?
Back to LA, man. The Brazilians, man, can just party like there's no tomorrow.
I can see it on TV at the Olympics, man. They just get down over there.
On our way to the secret hot springs. Got Adam on deck over here. It's our final day, and every minute that's passing, I know the trip is going to be ending soon, and we have to get back to our regular lives. We got a caravan of 5 vehicles to try to get to this secret hot springs, which I've been trying to find for 7 years, but one of these guys actually knows where it is.
They are there in the other gas station putting gas. And I said that here was 20 cents cheaper.
Yeah. You know, some people just don't learn. It's just like the movie Swingers. 9 cars to get to one place. Which is basically video, promo, vlog. Video, promo, vlog. So far I've shot 4.5 hours of footage. I never really get to hang out with anybody because I either have to be way ahead or way behind to get the shots that I need. Almost at the secret hot springs. Thank God there's trees and stuff down here. Looks beautiful. Uh-oh, we got some hillbillies down here.
Times that you ain't on my parade, and all the clubs you're getting using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still in my phone, no. Baby, I'm moving on. Something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. I never lied to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. For all of them times it made me feel small, I fell in love, nothing at all. I never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Am I a fool to let you break down my walls? For all of them times it made me feel small, I fell in love, nothing at all. I never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Girl, you can love yourself. You like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. One man come in the name of love, one man come and go, one man come here to justify, one man to overthrow. In the name of love, one man in the name of love.
What are these guys trying to do?
Which guys? Yeah, you want? I guess they're coming on the boats down the river. No? Film that.
What do you guys think about this?
They're crazy.
Pretty nice.
I guess
It's
they're
nice.
crazy.